This is the Beyblade X limited release BX-00 booster Shark Edge 560 GF. Join me as I pack this pre-order. This is the exclusive free gift my pre-order buyers will get. The BeyInfo Card Shark Edge 560 GF. Attack type, right spin bay, owned by Mako Maiden. As usual, there's a limited edition of this card. I'll show you later. After I finish packing this order, I'll be unboxing a set. I'll showcase the Beyblade, walk you through how to check its authenticity, and demonstrate the correct way to assemble and disassemble it. This is how we usually pack parcels. Here's how you can tell if it's original Takara Tomy just by looking at the box. Look for the Takara Tomy logo. The box has really sharp and high quality images and colors with loads of detail. Make sure to also check out the copyright notices. Let's crack open the set now. Gear flat, or known as GF. How to identify if this bit is authentic? You'll see a rivet holding the bit in place instead of regular screw. 560. How to identify if this ratchet is authentic? Look for these copyright notices. And tri-wing screws are used instead of regular ones. Shark Edge. Gorgeous blue metal coat. How to identify if this blade is authentic? Similar to the bit, rivets are used to hold the blade together. And of course, the materials used throughout the whole Beyblade are top-notch quality. Here's the right way to assemble this Beyblade. Here's how you should disassemble. And this is how we normally package Beyblade parts for sale. Will this order get the limited edition BeyInfo Card? Moment of truth.
Yes!